Hello, my scientific name is Oenothera speciosa, and I'm commonly referred to as the pink lady or the pink evening primrose. Many people get me confused with the buttercup, but rest assured, I am not the buttercup. This is my dating video in which I will hope to get a match and some good things in common with you. I wanted to start off with a bang, so here are two pictures of myself. In the picture on the left, you get a close-up selfie, and on the picture on the right, you get a full body for the full effect. In the first picture, you can see my beautiful pink to white ombre petals lined with deep pink veins. My petals always come in sets of 4, so there's always plenty of me to go around. I also have a great 4-parted stigma located at the top of my carpel, which helps me recept pollen from my best friends, aka the bees. So save the bees because they help me out in return. I also have a male reproductive part called the stamen, which is composed of a long tube-like filament and a pollen-producing structure known as the anther. In both of these pictures, you can see my petals cupped and starting to close due to the sunlight. But at nighttime is when I become more fun. At night, my petals actually open and I'm ready for business. Here is a picture of me dead. I know. In the early fall, I unfortunately die. But not all of me dies. My legacy does live on. I am said to be a herbaceous perennial in which I die in the early fall and come back in the spring. This is due to my roots and underground parts surviving in the nutrient-rich soil. So that could be a benefit for us both because I can die and come back. So if you're mad at me, just know that I'm always going to die in the winter and come back in the spring with vengeance. So besides being incredibly beautiful, I provide many benefits to organisms. My seeds can produce oil, which help treat many skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, acne, and atopic dermatitis. Human women also like to use me during pregnancy to prevent preeclampsia, starting labor, shortening labor, or late deliveries. So I'm much more than just a pretty flower in a field of a bunch of plants. I provide many benefits to the ecosystem, and I'm truly a good plant. So where can you find me, or where's my favorite places to be? So originally, I am native to the Rocky Prairies in Kansas, all the way to Texas and Mexico. Over time, however, I am now present in 28 states across the United States. I love to travel across the United States and hope to be in all 50 states soon. I take over land in open areas with soils that are well drained, rich or poor, dry or moist, disturbed or not, it does not matter. I am not a picky plant. I like to be in clay, in sands, in rocky or gravel areas. It truly does not matter. I am also said to be drought resistant, so that does help. So my goals. I am a flowering angiosperm that uses sexual reproduction as a method of reproducing. I use both male and female gametes, like I mentioned earlier. The male gametes transfer to the female ovules in a process known as pollination. Once pollination has been completed, fertilization happens and the ovules grow into seeds within the fruit. And here is my works cited.